Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.
Well, it is not wrong when people say that television and Bollywood are two sides of the same coin, and so are many celebrities. Well, there are so many celebrities in Bollywood and television industry who are real life siblings and the world hardly knows about them. Well, we have put together a list of many celebrities who are real life siblings but belong to two different industries. Bollywood and TV are quite related to each other, and there are so many celebrities who have either started their careers from small screen and shifted to big screen or vice versa. Then comes those sibling celebrity duo who are making their marks in these spaces. If one of them works in Bollywood films, the other one is an eminent name in the television industry. Take a look ahead to see who all are we pinpointing at today. Well, the first one being Mehika and Mishkat Verma. Mehika Verma, who played the role of Ishita Balla's cousin sister Mehika in the popular daily soap opera Ye Hai Mohabbatein, rose to fame with the show itself. Though she left the television industry after getting married to a US-based businessman, but she made a significant mark with her role and is still missed in the industry. Mishkat Verma is a doting baby brother of Mehika. Well, he rose to fame with Nisha or uski cousin and was last seen in Star Plus's popular Divya Drishti. Well, Mishkat was also a part of shows like Ichha Pyari Nagin. The next one being Meher Vij and Piyush Sehdev. Meher Vij is known for playing the role of the mother in a Bollywood blockbuster movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Secret Superstar. She is the younger sister of Behad fame Piyush Sehdev. In an interview with a leading portal, Piyush said, "I'm extremely protective about Meher. After my mother passed away, she almost took her place by guiding and taking care of me. I cried like a baby on her bidai and it felt like losing my mom for the second time." The next one being Dilnaz Irani and Bakhtiyar Irani. Dilnaz has done several comic roles in Bollywood films and has worked with big shots industry people. Her brother Bakhtiyar is popular in television world. He feels that he is lucky to have such a genuine person in his life in the form of his sister. With a 6-year age gap between the two of them, he has always been very protective over Dilnaz. Well, not only that, he has always considered Dilnaz as a mother figure in his life. Well, the next on the list is Alka Kaushal and Varun Badola. Actor Alka Kaushal is a well-known face on a small screen and is mainly known for her negative roles in the TV industry such as Swaragini, Kabool Hai and many more. She was also seen in blockbuster movie Queen as Kangana's mother, Bajrangi Bhaijaan as Kareena's mother. Not many of us know that she is a sister of Astitwa Ek Prem Kahani fame Varun Badola. Varun was currently being seen in Mere Dad Ki Dulhan. Though both of them are famous for their roles on television, they have never shared the screen space. In an interview with a leading portal, Alka said that if Varun wears a ghagra, it is difficult to tell them apart. Well, now that you know that they are siblings, you can see the resemblance in both of them. Next on the list is Alok Nath and Vineet. Next on the list would be Alok Nath and Vinita Malik. The veteran actor and the most sanskari babuji of Bollywood, Alok Nath is known for his roles in small screen as well as a silver screen. Well, do you remember Vinita Malik, who played the role of Dadi in Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai? She is the real sister of Alok Nath. Well, we couldn't believe that, and I'm sure on listening to what we are telling, you also couldn't believe the same. Both of them are known for their sanskari roles in the daily soaps and movie industry. Well, the next one is, I'm sure, a lot of ours favorite. Well, हम बात कर रहे हैं Jannat Zubair and Ayan Zubair की. Jannat Zubair gained a recognition for Colors TV show Fulwa and played the pivotal role in Bharat Ek Veer Putra Maharana Pratap. And just like Jannat, her younger brother Ayan Zubair is also a child artist. He was seen in Chakravartin Ashoka Samrat and Jodha Akbar. Well, the two of them are completely inseparable, and Jannat and Ayan both are protective towards each other a lot. The next one would be Krishna Abhishek and Aarti Singh. Krishna has always been one of the favorite comedians of the industry, be it his comic timings in Hindi films or tickling our funny bones through his stand-up comedy. TV actress Aarti Singh, who was last seen in Color's popular reality show Bigg Boss 13, is the sister of Krishna in real life. In an interview with a leading portal, Aarti said that she was in a live-in relationship with Krishna and his girlfriend Kashmira, who are now married for 3 years, and Krishna was very protective about his sister. The next one being Riddhi Dogra and Akshay Dogra. Riddhi Dogra gained fame for her role in Maryada Lekin Kab Tak on Indian television screen. Before she entered the industry, she was a dancer in Shamak Davar Dance Institute. She is the younger sister of Akshay Dogra, actor-producer who made his acting debut in Zee TV serial Bara Bara Chaubis Karol Bagh and got fame through Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do. The next on the list would be Amrita Rao and Pritika Rao. With many prominent roles on silver screen, Amrita Rao is not an unknown face to the industry, and so is Pritika Rao. She is Bollywood's quintessential girl next door. Her sister Pritika Rao is making her mark on the television screen. Pritika made her debut on TV with Be-Intaha. From their features and hair to their dressing sense, both the sisters have a lot many similarities. Tanushree Datta and Ishita Datta. Bengali beauty Tanushree Datta, who won the title of Femina Miss India Universe 2004, made her debut on silver screen with Aashik Banaya Aapne. Well, the audience loved her bold avatar. Her young sister, Drishyam actress Ishita Datta, who was also seen playing a lead role in soap opera Ek Ghar Banaunga. While Tanushree has now retired from the industry, her sister is doing quite well in the industry and is also quite popular. Anupam Kher and Raju Kher. Anupam Kher needs no introduction for his work in the Bollywood industry, and same goes for his brother Raju Kher, who has been a prominent part of the industry himself. This brother duo, with their hard work and efforts, have created a niche for themselves in the industry itself. The next on the list would be David Dhawan and Anil Dhawan. Anil Dhawan secured the pivotal role of Life OK's Main Lakshmi Tere Aangan Ki, and also has done a lot many roles in films as well. On the other hand, David Dhawan is creating waves in Bollywood with his direction. This duo is making their mark in the industry on screen and behind the camera itself. Next would be Gauhar Khan and Nigar Khan. Gauhar has made a niche in both Bollywood and TV serials. She's been the winner of Bigg Boss 7, unlike her sister Nigar, remained on the television and had done a lot of serials. But Gauhar has expertly split her screen and career between TV and Bollywood with such eminent and prominent roles. The next one would be Plabita Bharthakur and Panita Bharthakur. Do you remember one of the protagonists from much spoken about the film Lipstick Under My Burqa? Plabita Bharthakur was appreciated for her role in the movie. Not many of us know about her sister Parinita Bharthakur. Parinita is a known television face for her characters that she played in Swaragini, Jode Rishton Ke Sur, Shakti, Neeti and Mukti Mohan, the Mohan sisters. Neeti Mohan is the eldest of the Mohan sisters and is a fabulous singer. Shakti is a popular contemporary dancer, is also a winner of dance reality show Dance India Dance 2. Youngest of the two is Mukti Mohan, who is actor cum dancer and has acted in short films and web series. Shakti has always given credit to her sister Neeti for introducing her to the world of dance. The Mohan sisters have stolen everyone's heart with their remarkable performance all around the industry. The next on the list is Sharman Joshi and Mansi Joshi Roy. One of the three idiots, Sharman Joshi, has a sister named Mansi Joshi Roy, who is famous for her roles in Hindi serials. Sharman has made his mark in the Bollywood industry, while his sister has kept herself to the small screen only. Last but not the least, Rohit Roy and Ronit Roy. Ronit Roy came into limelight with his impressive role in Kasauti Zindagi Ki as Mr. Bajaj, and since then, his fame graph has always gone up and up. He switched between Bollywood and TV and did some amazing roles. Not only that, Ronit Roy also made his debut in the web series platform, and let me tell you that the fans completely loved his acting skills there also. Just like him, his brother Rohit is also seen switching between Bollywood and TV and doing some commendable work. Well, that was all for today. You do tell us in the comment sections below, which of the 17 celebrity duos did you find the most shocking to believe that they were brother-sister or maybe sibling duos. Until then, keep following telechakkar.com for all the more updates for the Bollywood television and the web series industry.